Good morning to each and everyone and assalamu alaikum. So today we will be tackle about the module 3, the open-ended tools in facilitating mathematics and science learning. But I will be discussing some topic in lesson 1, the productivity software application for mathematics and science teaching and learning. By the way, I am Hasmin El Ismael. I am the first presenter in our group. So we have the lesson outcomes. First, the identify uses of productivity software application in teaching learning of mathematics and science. Share experience in using productivity software application as a mathematics or science learner. Next, explore sample of documents, presentation, and a spreadsheet that we are used in delivering learning plans for mathematics and sciences. Next, report new open-ended tools or productivity software applications that are beneficial for mathematics and science learning. So next, the open-ended tools and their uses in teaching and learning mathematics or science skill. Open-ended tools or productivity software application are ICT tools which help the teachers and learners make their learning together as a concrete, efficient, encouraging, and meaningful as possible. The role of this tool is vital because it helps to meet the demands of the learner in the 21st century classroom. Itong open-ended tools ay productivity software application can be very helpful in teaching and learning mathematics or science skills. Halimbawa ng open-ended tools are the simulation software kung saan ang mga learner ay pwedeng mag-explore or mag-experiment dito sa software na ito. As described by Falmer 2015, teacher needs to demonstrate 21st century characteristics to be able to meet the demands of 21st century learners. On the next slide is a list of what math and science teachers should do to respond to the demands of 21st century. Halimbawa nito is an open-ended tools is yung simulation software, 'di ba? Na-tackle natin isa sa mga digital tools na kasali dito sa simulation software is yung PET, yung topic natin in other subject, kung saan is ina-allow nito ang learner na mas maintindihan ng isang subject. Halimbawa in physics, gusto maintindihan ng student natin yung law of motion, is dito sa simulation software na to is mas maintindihan nito kasi may pinapakita mga illustration or video doon na napapanood. So another example of open-ended tools are the collaborative platforms. In these tools naman is natututo ang mga learners to work together on math and science project kahit hindi na sila physically same ng location. So ito yung platform na ito na nakakatulong sa learner to share their ideas, to collaborate on the problem solving and provide feedback to each other. Halimbawa pala nitong collaborative platforms are like Google Docs and Microsoft. At madami pang open-ended tools na pwede natin gamitin. Hindi ko na-i-assign kasi I believe na mayroong makaka-discuss nito sa aming group. So next, below is a list of what math and science teachers should do to respond to the demands of 21st century. First, the number 1, create a learner-centered classroom and make instruction personalized because learners have different personality, goals, and needs. It is important na kilala or alam ng teacher ang bawat learner niya kung ano ang differences of each student to other, because we know naman na students or learner are diverse. They have uniqueness, different personalities, and goal and needs. Sa pag-create ng isang classroom environment that is focuses on the individual learner, si teacher ay pwede niyang baguhin or i-customize ang teaching style or strategy niya to meet the specific needs of this student or learner. So next, the number 2, facilitate learners' productivity skill by helping students produce creative blogs, digital stories, and movies that are helpful to enhance their mathematics and science proficiency. Mga activities na na-mention is like being creative in blogs, making digital stories and movies. Sa ganitong paraan is na-enhance ng student ang kanilang kaalaman at kasanayan or experience para mas ma-enhance ang kanilang mga skill like creativity, critical thinking, and communication skills. Number 3, learn new technology since technology keeps on developing learning a tool once it's not an option for teacher. We are aware naman na in today's generation, the digital age, the technology is rapidly influenced sa mga human. Ultimo, kindergarten student is minsan mas marunong pa sila gumamit ng mga devices compare sa mga nakakatanda sa kanila. So, stay updated with these latest tools and resources enable teacher to more effective in teaching practices. And also, it can enhance the student engagement and learning outcomes. That's why it is important for teacher to continuously learn and adapt to this new technology. Next, the number 4, go global to allow students to learn mathematical and scientific skill virtually. By embracing virtual learning opportunity ay nagbibigay daan ito sa mga student o learner natin to communicate or to connect with their peers and experience or expert from around the world. Because using this technology, si teacher can provide student with experience that is transcend geographical boundaries and expose them to diverse perspective and culture which develop their mathematical and scientific skill. So next, the number 5, be smart and allow the use of devices as an aid to mathematics or science concept and skill acquisition. By recognizing the potential of devices such as the smartphones, tablets, and computer as a aids to understand and to know the concept and skills, ay mas malaki ang maitutulong nito sa mga learner. Teacher can use many educational apps like online resources and interactive tools to engage and reinforce concept and provide the additional practice opportunity for their learner. So next, we have the number 6, do blogging to give student a real experience to see the value of writing for real audience and establish their digital presence. So being a teacher is pwede kang mag-create ng class blog kung saan ang student mo can create and publish their work. Sa pamamagitan kasi ng ganitong paraan or ng student work is matutulungan mo sila na makita or malaman nila ang value ng pagsusulat. So next, we have the number 7, go digital to promote the advocacy and to help level up the mathematics and science learning experience of the student through their digital discussion. So as a teacher, pwede ka din na gumamit ng digital discussion or online platform, and also pwede din gumamit ng tinatawag nilang discussion board to facilitate discussion on mathematics and science topic in order to allow the student to interact with each other para mas mapalawak pa nila ang understanding nila sa science and math. At maaari ding mag-share tayo ng mga relevant source for them para mas maintindihan nila ang topic. So number 8, collaborate with other educator and student. This will allow the sharing of great ideas beyond a conversation and paper copy. I think in this number 8 is mahalaga dito yung tinatawag nating collaboration. Mahalaga kasi na may connect tayo sa ibang educator and students sa ibang school or maging sa isang ibang bansa, dahil dito magkakaroon ng sharing of ideas, resources, and practice. So, paanong paraan? So, maaari silang video call conference or video conference, online platforms, or even email exchanges. Number 9, use web chats to share research ideas and stay updated in the field. 10. Connect with like-minded individuals by using media tools like the social media. Number 11, introduce project-based learning to allow students to develop their own driving questions, conduct research, contact experts, and create their project for sharing with the use of devices present. This project-based learnings, it allows students to take ownership of their learning by developing their own, driving their own questions, uh, conducting research, and creating projects. So in this encourage our student to use devices such as laptops or tablet to gather information and also to analyze data. In this slide, the number 12, build positive digital footprints that aims to model appropriate use of social media, produce and publish valuable content, and create shareable resources. By building a positive digital tools prints is crucial in today's digital age. So, number 13, code as it is today's literacies. This will boost students' writing skills as the feeling of writing a page with HTML is amazing. So, this HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used in creating web pages and application. It is allows us to format text, add images, create links, and more. Sa pamamagitan kasi nitong HTML, the student can gain the skill to create and design their own web page. So next we have the number 14. Innovate to expand your teaching toolbox for the sake of your student. Engage social media for discussion and announcements and use new formats like TED talks in presenting your lesson. Because by embracing new technology and platform to enhance our teaching methods, we can use this format like TED stands for Technology, Entertainment, and Design. This TED is a non-profit organization, meaning it is free for all users. This TED covers a wide range of topic katulad ng science, technology, and education, and so on. So, paano natin to i-implement? So, we will discuss this in number 15. Keep learning. So, as a teacher, because we should know this lifelong learning, because this lifelong learner is essential for educators. So, in stay curious and continue to enhance our knowledge and skills, as a teacher, we should always attend professional development workshops such as conference and so on na pwedeng makatulong sa atin bilang isang educator. Because to stay updated sa mga makabagong strategy or teaching strategies sa mga trainings or seminars na to kasi is ang mga teacher ay continuously learning and growing. So there is higher possibilities na you can provide the best education for your students and also to inspire them to become lifelong learner as well. So that is for 15 action for math and science teacher to respond to the demands of the 21st century based on the study of Falmer 2015. So in this slide, using word in scaffolding student learning in mathematics or science classrooms. In education, scaffolding is used to refer to the various form of support given to assist, guide, or facilitate the learning process according to Wordlinks 2008. So this Microsoft Word is useful tools for scaffolding student learning in mathematics and science classroom. So example of scaffolding for learning that are usually prepared using words application are learning plans. So assessment tools is these are the things like tests or quizzes and other forms of assessment na pwede din gawan ng teacher ng rubrics para sa grading system nitong assessment tools na to. So next we have the templates and forms. These templates and forms naman, these are the structure for formats for student to fill in. It's like laboratory report form where the student fill in their observations. And next we have the graphic organizer. So this graphic organizers is, alam kong familiar na tayo dito. Ito yung mga charts. Halimbawa nito is yung mga concept map, Venn diagram, and marami pang iba na ginagamit siya para mas ma-organize yung yung topic or pag-deliver ng topic. So mostly is ginagamit to dapat siya sa college level na. Kasi naalala ko when we are in grade 10 pa is ginagamit na namin ito siya sa reporting. So next we have this activity titled Creating Learning Plans Using Word Application. So I will be discussing the step 1 and step 2 because the rest is i-discuss ng aking mga kagrupo. So step 1, testing your knowledge of word processing software application begins this activity by citing the existent word processing software application familiar to the student. So by familiarize with this word processing software is we are always to start by reviewing the word processing of application, and this could be the Microsoft Word or apps of Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and other similar software. So it is important kasi na alam natin paano gamitin ang mga basic feature nito, katulad ng formatting text, insert tables, and creating lists, at madami pang iba. So we are now in step 2. Viewing the essential part of a learning plan. So a learning plan has an essential part that are not negotiable with must be considered by teachers. In tertiary education, learning plans can be good for a semester like syllables. We will discuss these syllables on the other slide. It is important to understand the essential part of a learning plan. So these learning plans typically includes these course of overview, learning outcomes, weekly schedule, and assessment methods, and also the resources. So next we have the Intel Tech unit plans. The Intel Tech program has this template for its unit plan, Intel Corporation 2007. So in the next slide we have the templates for unit plan. So here that unit plan templates, meron siyang unit author sa taas, name, school district, school names, school cities or states, unit overview, the unit titles, and so on. So marami pa yan siyang nilalaman. So we have the next topic, Department of Education, DepEd. The Department of Education of the Philippines require teachers to develop and submit their lesson plan with the Haley of Word application. The teacher are assisted to develop them with case and with the previous to edit and update them. So alam naman natin in DepEd is kailangan talagang may lesson plan para sa ituturo nating subject, para alam natin ang guide o pagkakasunod-sunod kung paano natin i-deliver ang topic. So in the next slide we have the template for the detailed lesson plan. So here the format. So hinati ko na lang kasi hindi siya kaya siya sa isang slide. So we have the detailed lesson plan, the title, the time frame, si teacher, objectives, kung anong objective mo at the end of the lesson. We have the minimum objectives, kung saan is pasok yung 3 domains, and the contents are nilalaman ng ating ituturo. And next we have the topic, references, and material, kung ano yung ituturo natin and kung saan natin, ano yung reference natin sa topic na yon, and ano yung mga gagamitin natin sa pagtuturo or sa pag-deliver ng ating topic or lesson. So we have this procedure, the motivation, presentation, discussion, generalization, application, evaluation, and assignment. So we have teachers activity and student activity. So in application or evaluation is ito na yung sa application ang ibibigay nating application is yung mga in real life, and evaluation yung mga exam, and sa assignment naman is kung ano yung related sa topic natin na diniscuss mo ngayon or sa next topic na i-discuss mo. So next. So we have the syllabus. Teaching mathematics and science courses in the university requires learning plans such as a course syllabus, and the next slide is sample of a syllabus template that will certainly require encoding formatting using word application. So alam kong alam nating lahat itong sinasabing syllables. Sa syllables na to is napapaloob yung ituturo sa buong semester. Ito ay ginagamit sa college level na, tertiary level na, kung saan is naglalaman ng mga ituturo or anong magiging coverage ng subject in this semester. So we have this template. So in syllables, meron ang name of course, halimbawa microbiology and parasitology or bio 4, and course number, semester and year offered. So semester, second sem, halimbawa, and for third year. So credit units, halimbawa sa microbiology, we have 4 units, and then requisites and more so on, and program learning out, and also the course learning outcomes. So at the end of the course subject, the student should be able to ibigay na kung ano yung mga dapat nilang matutunan. So I think that's all na lang, kasi yung other parts of lesson 1 is i-discuss ng aking ka-members. So thank you for listening.